You know what's the place to go in? Gotta keep telling you guys.
Hey Willie, how do you like this tour?
Oh, it's wonderful, Bill. I'm really enjoying it. Fantastic.
How about you, William?
I actually experienced a little of everything: modern architecture, prehistorical, and shared time with our colleagues is a wonderful time. Really
Great.
So we're getting a lot of architectural knowledge, not only from Frank Lloyd Wright, but Philly, and these are wonderful tour guides.
And Louis
Awesome.
Kahn, too.
Louis Kahn, right?
Well, it used to be, these were the old dorms done by company stewards, and they also did dorms at Princeton and Bryn Mawr. One of the leading purveyors of Gothic, collegiate Gothic, back in the 1890s or 1800s. Also responsible for the whole campus at Washington University in St. Louis.
And they're working at a 2.9?
On scale.
Very good.
Tosu, how do you like the tour?
It's nice. Interesting.
Okay. Hey David, how do you like the tour?
Love it.
Is it amazing?
Yes. Want to do some more.
What was your favorite part of it?
Favorite part was lunch. It was excellent. No, I'm kidding. Well, we've seen so much, but I loved City Hall.
So you
That was my favorite building.
That was your favorite building? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.